Hello everyone, this is Abbas Mani from the Orange Coast Studios, and in this video I'll be showing you how to do the animated snake border with HTML and Pure CSS. First off, we'll go to Font Awesome CDN and we'll open the Bootstrap CDN by Stackpath. Then we'll go to Font Awesome, the iconic font and CSS toolkit. Go over to our Font Awesome CDN and copy the HTML link. Then we'll paste it in the head of our HTML file. We'll come back over to code, and in the header of our Font Awesome icons, we'll click on, we'll go to the icons page and search for the Facebook icon, Instagram, YouTube, Dribble, and Hearts. Then we'll come over to our HTML file and we'll open and close a UL tag on ordered list. Inside the UL, we'll have a li, and inside the li, we'll have an anchor tag. In the anchor tag, we will put 4 spans then we'll copy the whole li and then we'll paste it 4 more times. We'll come over to Chrome and copy this tag over here and paste it under the spans in the anchor tag. We'll do the same for Instagram, YouTube, Dribble, and lastly, Behance. Then we'll go over to a CSS file. First, let's close these tabs and refresh. And as you can see, now we have our icons. They're blue because they're in the anchor tag, and the anchor tag is a link. That's why they're blue right now. But we can change that. We'll come over to our CSS file and we'll type body margin 0 and padding 0. Under the body, we'll type UL, position absolute, top 50% and left 50%. Then we'll type transform, translate. Inside the brackets we put minus 50%, comma, minus 50%. Margin 0, padding 0. And then last, and then display there, and then display flex. Under the UL, we'll put UL, LI, curly brackets, list style, none. You can go check it in Chrome. As you see, it's in the middle of the page now with no dots. Under UL and ULI, we'll put UL, LI, and A for the anchor tag. We'll put in that display block, position relative, width 50 pixels, height 50 pixels, line height 50 pixels, font size 20 pixels, text align center, text decoration none. Color, I have this color that I have already copied. The text code is 004235. Margin 0 space 10 pixels. This will be 0 for the bottom and top and 10 for the left and right. Under that we'll put transition transition dot 5s means in 5 seconds. We'll refresh our Chrome file, and as you see, it's looking nice. You see the transition when we refresh it. Next we'll type UL, LI, A, and for the anchor tag and span. Position absolute. Transition, transform, dot 5 seconds. We'll refresh. Nothing has really happened here, but behind the scenes, as you see, we've just done something. Then we'll copy this and paste it underneath, rub out what's inside, and we'll put after the span, semicolon, ensure, nth dash child with 2 brackets, and in the child we put 1. Copy that, paste it underneath, but underneath before the opening angular bracket, before the opening curly bracket, and put in there 3. In the angular brackets we'll put width 100%, height 1 pixel. Make sure to background color, the same hex code as before, 004235. We'll copy and paste this and paste it underneath and rub out the 3 line, the second line. In the curly brackets we'll put top 0, left 0, transform origin right. We'll come and refresh it. There's supposed to be some lines around these icons, but there's nothing there. So we'll come and see why. So basically I forgot to put a comma after this line to separate it from the line underneath. So if we refresh, as you see, the lines has come on top of these icons. So we'll copy this one, we'll copy we'll copy this group of code. After the A, we'll put a semicolon, hover. Transform, scale, 0. After the scale, we'll put an X for scale X. So basically transform scale X 0. Transform transform origin left. Transition transform dot 5 seconds. Refresh that, and as you see, when we hover, a line is going to the left. This line that is not moving is this the third line. When in the code we put a 3. That's, we haven't put any code for that to move, so it's not going to move yet. So we'll copy these two groups of code, paste it, and change the 1 into a 3. Where it says top, we'll put bottom. In this hover group, where it says transform origin, we'll put right. And in the group above, where it says transform origin, we'll put left. Refresh, and as you see, this is how it goes. This is what we wanted. But now what we want is 2 lines to come on the side when we hover. So we'll copy from up here down to the bottom, enter twice, and change all the 1s into 2s and all the 3s into 4s. So on the 2 groups, on the first 2 groups, so on the second child group, transform origin will be turned to bottom, and then the hover group, we'll change it to scale Y. Make sure you're doing capitals, and then in the brackets we'll put a 1 instead of a 0. In the hover group, transform origin will be turned to top, and now in the 4th child, the bottom will be turned to top, and left to right. Transform origin will be turned to top, and in the hover 4th child group, and in the hover for the 4th child, the transform origin will be turned to bottom. Transform origin will be turned to bottom. We'll put the scale X to scale Y and change the 0 to a 1. So now in the second child, we'll put scale X, Y. In that we'll put 0. I will just copy this and put it in the 4th child. And then where the second child and 4th child is together, put the width to 1 pixel and the height to 100%. this is what we was looking for. This is what we was looking for. Here, this is an animated snakeboard made with HTML and Pure CSS. Make sure to subscribe to this channel, ring the bell to be notified for more videos. If you want any other tutorials to be made, you may let me know in the comments down below. I'll see you in the next video.